Good morning everyone. Here I am Sakshi Keshari from BBM Batch 1 first year. Today I am going to present a PPT which is given by Pawan sir. My topic is branches of accountancy. So there are three types of branches of accountancy. First, financial accounting, second, cost accounting, and third, management accounting. Financial accounting. This is the original form of accounting. It is prepared to know the result of final position of the organization. It is represented the actual data. Now, cost accounting. It is the branch of accounting that focuses on the recording, reporting, and cost associated with the production of goods and services with the organization. Its primary objective to produce management with information of decision making, cost control and performance evaluation. It represented the estimated data. Now next, management accounting. It is the process of analyzing, interpreting and communicating financial information to help management make informed decisions with an organization. The primary goal of management accounting support strategic planning, performance evaluation and control. There are also other branches of accounting like HRA, Human Resources Accounting, Social Responsibility Accounting and Tax Accounting. Accounting also classified into two approaches. First, traditional approaches and second, modern approaches. According to the traditional approaches, there are two types of accounts. First, personal account and second, impersonal account. First, personal accounts are those accounts which are relating to a particular person. For example, Ram account, Shyam account. Personal accounts are also classified in three categories. Natural, God-gifted, artificial, man-made, representative, like outstanding, prepaid. Now, impersonal account. Impersonal accounts are those accounts which have related to an asset, exclusive debtors, banks, etc., incomes and expenses, etc. For example, land, building, cash, rent. There are two types of impersonal accounts, real account and nominal account. Now coming to the golden rule of an accounting, rules of debit and credit. First, personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now second, nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gain. Now third, real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. That's all from my side. Thank you.